you can create customers in number of ways, right? The first option is it'll bring you here. You can simply click on new customer and fill in the customer information and the job location information and add customer without any appointments. That is one option. The other option is you could directly go into your calendar and see all your appointments and then schedule directly into that. So let's just say you got an appointment for tomorrow morning 9 a.m. You can see it's available. You just simply highlight that and that will bring up the same form. And you could create the customer here. So I'll create the customer and I'll put a random address for now, email addresses. And let's just say preferred method of contact is mobile. And this is a quote I'm going to create for 5 roller blinds. If the customer address and the job location address is same, you click that, that'll copy it over. If it is different, you fill in the differences. And also, how did they find you? Let's just say through Google. And this is the appointment timing. You say add customer. Once you do that, system will schedule your appointment and drop you a text message. Now, it'll have a certain word in that text message. If you want to change that wording, you just simply go into the back end of the system. You go into settings, profile, appointment settings, and this is that wording. If you change it, it'll change accordingly. But you have to maintain a max of 160 characters. More than that, it'll not go as one SMS.